Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the contraindications part for myolysis. What are the contraindications? Let's see. Viable pregnancy, even if it is RFA, which is radiofrequency ablation, it can be UAE, which is uterine artery embolization, it can be myomectomy, it can be myolysis, it can be anything. If you're pregnant right now, even though if you're having fibroids also, any of these treatments cannot be done. That is something that you have to remember. And then active pelvic inflammatory diseases, if you're having any sort of PIDs, UAE, RFA, myomectomy, myolysis cannot be done. And then malignancy of any kind, even the suspicion of malignancy or malignancy proven, they cannot do any sort of myolysis or any other factor surgeries like RFA, UAE or myomectomy. And postmenopausal bleeding of unknown cause or unknown etiology can also be a contraindication for myolysis. Why? Because postmenopausal bleeding usually occurs because if there is any sort of cervical cancer, that is the major cause for menopausal bleeding. And even though if you're having menopausal bleeding and you do not know the obvious causes for it, and then in these conditions also myolysis cannot be performed, as they will be taking this as a suspicion for cancer. Then fibroid location in cervix depends upon the location of the fibroid also. If the fibroid is in the cervix part of the uterus, then myolysis might not be a viable option for it. And then fibroids already infracted, which is observed in the MRI. Remember that they have to have a certain kind of test done before this myolysis, and in the MRI they are showing that the fibroids are infracted. What do you mean by infracted? It means that the fibroid tissue is dead, it is being putrefied and it is dead as such. Okay, so if that is already dead, you need not get a myolysis done again. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis, PCOS or PCOD, or if you're someone who's suffering from bulky uterus, dysmenorrhea, Bartholinsis, any of the female reproductive organ diseases, you can contact or you can choose Fidicus Homeopathy, as we have high success rates. Here we have two kind of consultation options. The one is the online consultation option. The second one is the offline or the in-person consultation option. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us online through audio consultation options or through the video consultation options. And after the doctor consultation has been done, we will ask you for investigations, whatever are needed for your condition. And if you've already got those investigations done, you can share it with us. After this whole procedure is done, especially to the online clients, we will be delivering you our medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying anywhere else across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. We're mentioning here clearly it will take business days because holidays and other things are not included in this. Particularly 3 to 4 business days is what we are proposing. If you're someone who are suffering from female reproductive organ diseases and you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number. You can WhatsApp us or message us on this number. If you're someone who wants to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, if you're someone who's suffering from endometriosis, adenomyosis, or if you're someone who's suffering from bulky uterus, dysmenorrhea, PCOD, or any other female reproductive organ diseases, and you would like to choose homeopathy because we've told you how homeopathy works best for all of this, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy apart from other homeopathy doctors? Remember that Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here, compared to other doctors in homeopathy, we have highest success rate. We have top-notch doctors and we are treating it with high success rate. First thing. Second thing, we have transparent treatment. What do you mean by transparent treatment? We do not have any gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be talking to you about your prognosis and also about the condition of your fibroids also, and also the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. So if you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a doctor who is going to address all of your issues, answer all of your queries, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.